Okay, yeah. So come and show a special thanks and just shout out to my host. Make sure you show him, appreciation by just subscribing to his channel and go and check him out because I'm gonna post this video on my page. So guys, just come if you're watching this from Kishmawal. We have to appreciate my hosts because my hosts they really play a vital role in just like helping you see the country, understanding the culture, giving us even a place to eat, to sleep, feeding us, all these things. So man, it's not for granted. I really appreciate. So the best way as Kishmawal we can give thanks and appreciate our host is just to subscribe to the channel and just show massive support, watch the videos, like, comment, share to your friends. And we're gonna do amazing videos. Today is just the first day. I'm just arriving now, so we won't really do much. And this is the first video, but guys,